My video is about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts that are related to the site Timespace.top. Timespace.top is a fake human verification alerts that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead you and to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. But it's actually a mistake to click on allow. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked and contaminated with multiple pop-ups that will be shown in the form of web push notifications. If you have clicked on allow button, you also may be redirected to some other deceptive sites. To stop these ads from attacking your screen, access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay careful attention to all these sites which are allowed to display notifications. Remove any malicious sites if you find them here on the list. So carefully get rid of all these junk sites causing such pop-ups on your screen. To make sure that your system is free of other possibly concealed threats, I do recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.